yet another episode of Project Talk, where PropTiger connects viewers to the industry and to their dream home. I'm Sneha Sharon, your host for the day, and we have representatives from the Signature Global Group today. Mr. Pradeep Gaur is VP Sales and Marketing at Signature Global. Welcome.
Thank you.
Ms. Geeta Tiwari is DGM Sales and Marketing at Signature Global. Welcome.
Welcome to the Affordable Fountain.
Mr. Vishal Rana is Deputy Manager Sales at Signature Global. Welcome.
Thank you.
And Mr. Vikas Sinha is Senior Team Manager Sales at PropTiger. Welcome.
Thank you, Sneha.
I'm sure we're looking forward to an insightful discussion today. We have already received a lot of questions from people who are interested in this project. But before we begin, I'd request Mr. Gaur and Mr. Sinha to go ahead with a brief introduction about the companies they're representing. Starting with you, Mr. Gaur.
Signature Global was founded in 2013 and worked with the best and deliver on promise from the core of our group. Our sole aim is to provide to infrastructure of supreme quality, redefine the industry standard globally with our each project. By our mission to be admired for delivering value destination with uploading transparency, customer certainty, and superior quality. Our value lives wins our trust by keeping our words, achieving excellence by aiming, and for creating a lasting relationship by being ethically. Signature Global, India's #1 affordable housing company. We have more than over 18 plus projects launched in Delhi NCR. Along with this, we are proud to share that we have delivered 3 affordable housing projects before the timeline. Apart from this, Signature Global has recently been founded by the International Finance Corporation, IFC World Bank Group. The International Finance Corporation, IFC World Bank Group, is an international financial institute that offers investment advisory and assets management service to encourage private sector development in the less developed countries. The IFC is a member of the World Bank Group and is headquartered in Washington in the United States. It was established in 1956. Apart from this, Signature Global today has presence in developing residential, commercial, and retail destination. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Gaur. Mr. Sinha.
So, PropTiger is close to 10 years old company right now, and we have major branches in all the cities across India. We are one of the best property advisors and best property consultants in India right now. We deal in all A+ category developers who are having their residential projects and commercial projects on the major locations across the cities. Now, the best part about our company is that we give end-to-end solution to our customers, which is from shortlisting the properties till the time a customer buys the properties and post completion of buying the properties, giving him the assistance in doing all the documentation and the loan work also. So we have catered more than 25,000 customers till date, and so far it is one of the good journeys till date.
Thank you. Well, it's time to see a small video that talks about Signature Global Orchards in a nutshell and the location potential.
घर के लिए लंबा इंतजार नहीं करना? No problem. Signature Global है ना. Signature Global, who has made a hat trick in timely possession of its projects. और इसमें आपकी मदद करूंगी मैं, चांदनी. Let's get started. आज हम आपको लेकर आए हैं ऑर्चर्ड एवेन्यू सेक्टर 93 गुरुग्राम में, जहां कंस्ट्रक्शन बहुत तेजी से चल रही है. ये एक पॉश और चहल पहल वाले इलाके में बनाया जा रहा है और इस साल के अंत तक ऑर्चर्ड एवेन्यू का पोजेशन भी होना है. लेकिन ठीक इसी तरह बेहतरीन अंदाज में और तेजी से बनाया जा रहा है ऑर्चर्ड एवेन्यू 2. ऑर्चर्ड एवेन्यू 2 सेक्टर 93 गुरुग्राम हरियाणा अफोर्डेबल हाउसिंग पॉलिसी के तहत 5 एकड़ में बन रहा है. इसमें 720 यूनिट्स हैं. अब इसका पोजेशन 2023 के अंत तक होना है. लोकेशन के मामले में ऑर्चर्ड एवेन्यू 2 किसी से कम नहीं है, क्योंकि यहाँ 8 से 10 मिनट की डिस्टेंस पर IMT मानेसर और NH8 भी हैं. यहाँ से 12 किलोमीटर के रेडियस में नेशनल एम्स कैंसर इंस्टीट्यूट और शारदा इंटरनेशनल स्कूल्स भी हैं. यहाँ से प्रपोज्ड मेट्रो स्टेशन वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस पर है. ऑर्चर्ड ऑर्चर्ड एवेन्यू 2 सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल का वो एम्बिशियस प्रोजेक्ट है जहां कंस्ट्रक्शन AFW टेक्नोलॉजी से चल रही है। ये कंस्ट्रक्शन नई है और अफोर्डेबल सेगमेंट पे हर एक बिल्डर आपको इस तरह की कंस्ट्रक्शन क्वालिटी नहीं दे सकता है। इसकी खासियत ये है कि इसमें दीवारें ईंटों से नहीं बल्कि RCC की बनती है, जिसमें सीलन नहीं आती और जो ज्यादा मजबूत होती है। इसकी खासियत यही है कि इससे इमारतें ज्यादा तेजी से भी बनती हैं। इस गेटेड कॉम्प्लेक्स में ओपन एरिया, एल्डरली सिटिंग एरिया, किड्स प्ले एरिया, जॉगर्स ट्रैक, आउटडोर जिम, एम्फी थिएटर जैसी सुविधाएं मिलेंगी। इस हाउसिंग प्रोजेक्ट के साथ एक शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स भी बनाया जा रहा है जिसका नाम है सिग्नम 93-2, यानी कि एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए यहाँ के रेजिडेंट्स भले ही बाहर जाए, लेकिन डेली नीड्स के लिए उनको बाहर जाने की या दूर जाने की जरूरत बिल्कुल नहीं पड़ेगी। ऑर्चर्ड एवेन्यू में बन रहे फ्लैट्स ओनर्स के लिए कैसे हैं सपनों के घर, ये हमें बताने की जरूरत तो नहीं। तो आज ही बुक कीजिए आप भी अपने सपनों का घर ऑर्चर्ड एवेन्यू 2 में, क्योंकि अपना घर तो अपना ही होता है।
Well, I'm sure our viewers are waiting for more information on Signature Global Orchards and what it offers. So we'll head to the questions right now. My first question is for Ms. Geeta. Geeta, has demand for affordable homes suffered due to COVID-19? What progress do you see happening here on?
The coronavirus crisis has not only altered the way we live, think, work, or even socialize with others around us, but also impacted almost every industry around the world, including real estate. However, along with its negative impact, the pandemic has opened a new era of selling real estate, which has been underutilized till now. Also, as priorities of people have changed, and they are now realizing importance of homes, so that the demand of affordable housing likely to go up in the post-COVID-19. Everybody understands the value of their own homes, so it is right time to buy the property.
Thank you. Vishal, coming to you, how is Sector 93 as an investment destination, and what are the kind of facilities that one can access in the neighborhood?
It's a perfect destination for people who want to experience an international lifestyle. It's a complex which is away from city choice and just accessing the world. Is a matter of stepping out of your gate. It's where you can live every single moment of your life and make it grand. If I'm talking about facilities in neighborhood like schools, St. Xavier, Matrician, DPS, RPS already running, hospitals and malls, PVR and high street markets that are already running. Thank you.
Mr. Pradeep, now most people think of affordable homes as a small property with negligible amenities. How has brand Signature taken care of all this?
So this is a very interesting question. This could be a case of the other developer, but at Signature Global, our all affordable projects are in compliance with the luxury project in the market. We aim to give the buyer their homes with a lifestyle of luxury with house owners. Our project beautifully garden spaces, decorate pathways, separate kid play areas, basketball, skating, open gym, and the open amphitheater, and many more other amenities. So the buyer gets a house in a small budget with a high standard of living. So you can say a chota budget bada dhamaga ghar offer, and the under company motto is Har Parivar Ek Ghar. Please.
Thank you. Also help us understand who is the target audience and what should their budget be?
See, as far as concerned the target audience, we are the pioneer to affordable home segments, and India is the #1 company in the segment, as I earlier mentioned. Primarily, the first home buyer in the middle income group, which has capacity to drive demand in this segment. The middle income group constantly earning between 30,000 to 50-60,000 a month. A majority of this segment looking to own a property. So all the tenant living within the rent between 15 to 20,000 and above in Delhi and NCR. For the same, we have started a campaign. Kirai Se Azadi, something like this. So this is a major audience.
Thank you. Vikas, coming over to you now. You read the markets and you understand all the comparisons. So we would like to ask you, amidst COVID-19, we have seen that there is a lot of hidden demand. Searches have increased. What is your understanding? Which segment, affordable, luxury, mid-affordable, which one will benefit over the years?
So that is a very interesting question, and I would like to tell a very important facts which have come in last few months. People logical thinking as well as analytical thinking both have changed in terms of home buying, especially in Delhi and NCR. Now, what is happening? There were lots of investors. There were lots of people who were thinking to buy a big home or a, let's say a high budget home of let's say 80 lakh rupees or 1 crore rupees, and they were planning pre-COVID time. But now since this COVID has come up with lots of crisis with so many people, that the decision has been changed with lots of people that yes, the most important thing right now is to have one home, and that to be any location, given the fact that people are now ready to compromise on the size, but yes, they are ready to buy one home in any particular segment. So, as far as the luxury segment and affordable segment is concerned, after Corona, what I can feel right now, there can be two segments category basically in luxury. One will be somewhere between 80 lakh to 1 crore rupees, and somewhere between one category is close to 2 crore above. So definitely that category, which is ultra luxury, will see a little bit of dip because people will try to save their money as much as possible for next 1 year of time. And yes, the category which we are dealing right now, which we are doing webinar right now, will see a high spurge because I have seen lots of people changing their decision. They are ready to contract their home sizes and the budget also because they want to keep a good chunk of amount in their savings for these types of crises coming into future. So they are saying rather spending 80 lakh rupees or 1 crore rupees right now, I will buy a little bit of smaller home with a small budget, and rest I will save for these types of crises coming in future.
Good observation, Mr. Sinha. I'm sure our viewers are now eagerly waiting for the project presentation. We request Vishal to lead us through Signature Global Orchard.
Yes. This is your project Orchard Avenue 2. Starting price 21.96 onwards to 2 BHK. In this, we have 4 categories. First one, 2 BHK type 1, 539, and balcony area 78.114. Total cost 21,96,593, and application money 5%, 109,830, and allotment 439,319. Second is 2 BHK type 2, 603.677. Balcony area is 76058. Total cost 24,52737, and application money 122,637, and allotment 490,546. Third one is 2 BHK type 3, 594.916, and balcony area 70.849. Total cost 24,15088, and application money 120,745. Fourth one, 2 BHK type 4, 577.112, and balcony area 79.029. Total cost 23,47962, and application money 1117398. Second thing, avail interest subsidy benefits of Rs 2.6 lakh approx under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Rs 12 lakh home loan. Secondly, location advantage. Firstly, easy and smooth connectivity from Patodi Road, Dwarka Expressway, NH8, KMP Expressway, and IGI Airport, Delhi. Metro station at a working distance, 5 minutes from NH8, 10 minutes from Delhi, 15 minutes from IGI Airport, and near 5-star hotels, premium residential colonies, and commercial projects in close proximity. AIMS National Cancer Institute, Badsa, Jhajjar, 12 km. Close proximity to IMT Manesar, just 8 km. Adjacent to a transport and communication area. Educational institute like SGT Group of Institutes, Sarda International Schools, Colonies Public School, Kamala Hospitals, etc. Recreation area like Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary within the proximity, close proximity to huge commercial belt, and surrounding by multiple residential group housing and township low-rise development like DLF Vatika, Bestech, Oris, and SS Group. Close to Kadipur industrial area, close proximity to existing ISD industrial, and last one, major banks, school, religious, and tourist place are in close proximity. This is a location map. Sector 93, near to sector 81, 82, 83, and 84, and just close to NH8, Dwarka Expressway, and KMP Kundli Manesar Palwal, and near to Patodi Road. This is our project designing. First one, Orchid Avenue 1. Which we have launched before 3.5 years, and now we are going to deliver this project. And after the great success of this project, we have launched about 4 and 5th month Orchid Avenue 2. In this have total 720 units and 4 towers. Sorry. And in this we have commercial space like ATMs and saloons, the daily basic needs shops we have provided. This is our layouts. This is our layouts 539.384 square feet, जो मैंने अभी बताया था आपको टाइप 1. The room size is 9.6 and 11, and balcony size 4 by 10, and living area 16.5 into 9.6, and kitchen area is 8 into 6. This is our site layout, which we have 7 towers and total unit 720. This is another layout, type 2, 603. Also bedroom size 11.9 into 6. And kitchen 8 into 6.
Geeta, would you also like to step in and explain to us a few of the amenities and the layout?
We are having so many amenities, like for senior citizens and kids. We are having kids play area in that. And we are having basketball court in that, and this is our gated society, right? And there are so many in the park over there. So there is lots of amenities. So in the affordable housing, we can comment that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So we've received a lot of questions from the audience. We quickly want to go through them. Mr. Pradeep, now there's a question coming in from Madhikweshwar Gupta, who's asking, what has been the developer's track record in developing affordable homes?
Mr. Kaur, thank you for your query. Signature Global concern. Signature Global is a brand which stands for making India affordable with reality, and responsibility. Provided best affordable housing in Gurgaon. Signature Global project include ideal location, impeccable quality of construction, awesome amenities, and reasonable pricing. You can say Signature Global currently running more than 18 projects. In Gurgaon, which is 14 in Gurgaon, 2 in Karnal, and 1 is Vaishali. Apart from in the span of last 4 years, we have out of 17, 18 projects, Synergy Global has successfully delivered 4 projects before that timeline. Our main focus is to deliver project before time and keep the construction quality best in real estate industry. So you can, fully trust on us. Thank you.
Yes, Naveen Pandey asking us, is there a construction linked plan? Deepa, would you like to take that up?
Yeah, sure. We are having payment plan of affordable housing is time linked. 5% of the basic cost is paid at the time of application, 20% at the time of allotment, and the balance 75% is equally divided into 6 installments of 12.5, each payable at the interval of every 6 months. It gives us ample breathing time to customer for paying installments.
Sudhakar Gupta is asking us, how do you brief home buyers about the construction status, especially at a time when there's a lockdown and site visit is not possible?
Mr. Gupta, you are, very well said. Now in the current scenarios, normally we are, we have always been a very tech-savvy, digital-friendly company. Even before COVID-19, pandemic time, most of our process were digitally. Right from the client shows interest in our project up to the time buyer unit for all the processes are made digitally. Our, also actual site development photograph made available on the clients where he able to see the development on site. This is the good as he actually visiting the sites. Our all projects are covered by drone shoots, videos and images which are shared with our clients and the development regularly. Moreover, we are in the process to digitally launching our projects, and my team is in constant touch with the client to resolve their queries if any. Actual site pictures, you can say update on the company website, simultaneously on the email sent to every customer at their registered email ID on the monthly basis. So this is few techniques we use nowadays.
Mr. Pradeep, I'd like you to answer this as well. This is a question we received from Mohammed Ehsan, who's asking, what is the general mood of the market? Is it a good time to buy or should I wait?
Mohammed simply is the current scenario. Each one has realized the importance of having their own homes. So as people are staying more at home and the comfort and the longing to have their own space in the more than even ever before. So people who are in rented apartment feel strongly in importance of having their own home. So the demand of our own house is likely to go up. Also in the right time to buy the property. As also would like to mention one more thing which is very critical, you can say, as mortgage rates bank hit a record low. Low mortgage rates had made buying to attractive prospect. The work from home experiment is working for a large number of individuals. This will means a need of home for a home with more effective space in near future. Plus there will be more families who want to move elderly loved one with them. So I think this is the right time to invest in property. With the demand, we are going to launch 2 new projects in the next week in Gurgaon, which is on a digital platform. So please go ahead.
Thank you. Yes, Karun Singh asking us, how is the water situation in New Gurgaon? Vishal, would you like to answer that?
Very good question, ma'am. First of all, MCG water supply is there in New Gurgaon. Further, we also have water storage capacity of 15 days in Orji Avenue 2. Some of the society in Vincity more than 90% occupied. Until date, there is no issue arise of water supply. Thank you.
I'm dependent on shared cabs every day. How is the local transportation in this area? This is a question we've received from HK Tiwari. Ms. Geeta, would you like to answer that?
Sure. This is very, very important question for a home buyer. कि वो कैसे वहाँ से मतलब अपने डेली के लिए कैसे कम्यूट कर सकता है for the public transport. And cab facility is also running there in Sector 93 Gurgaon, as more than 7,000 families are already residing within 1 kilometer radius and commuting through these facilities. Easy and smooth connectivity from Pataudi Road, Dwarka Expressway, NH8, KMTA Expressway and IGIG Airport. So even I can say कि proposed metro station is also there. तो मेरे ख्याल से वहाँ पे कनेक्टिविटी का या फिर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगा.
Geeta, also help us understand this Rajat Parashur's question, who's asking, we are a family of 4 people that comprises my aged father. What facilities are in your project suitable for seniors and children below 12 years of age?
Sure. एक्चुअली हम लोग अपने से ज़्यादा अपने से बड़ों का पहले और बच्चों का पहले सोचते हैं एक घर लेने से पहले. So facility for the senior citizen and the kids are our main focus while designing the Orchard Avenue too. So therefore we have created sustainable features like community hall, basketball court, sitting areas for senior citizens जहाँ पे वो अपना एक group discussion कर सकते हैं same age का, like yoga meditation area, jogging track, 24/7 power backup, gated community we have, children play area, lift, like this.
Thank you. Farhat Motwani is asking us, please tell me about safety in this project and in Gurgaon 93 specifically. Vishal, would you like to answer that?
About safety purpose, we are providing 3-tier 24/7 security in our project Orchard Avenue 2. At first level, there will be scanning of visitors at gate. Second level, there will be CCTV camera throughout the society. Third level, there will be guard deployed especially for each building to cope up with any kind of security situation. In additional to this, police station is also nearby. From there, we can get PCR in 5 minutes. Thank you.
Mr. Lavkesh Sinha is asking us, are there any discounts on group booking? Geeta.
Sure. Mr. Sinha, actually इसमें कोई भी हम लोग डिस्काउंट्स नहीं रखते हैं क्योंकि हम ऑलरेडी इतना रीजनेबल रेट पे इसका रेट रखा हुआ है, हमने प्राइस रखा हुआ है, बिकॉज ये टोटली हम जो हमारा एक मिशन है हर परिवार एक घर, तो उसके लिए हम लोग यही सोचते हैं कि जितना हमसे रिजनेबल हो हम लोग उसी में अफोर्डेबल हाउसिंग का नेम ही एक इसी तरह से एक्सप्लेन होता है. So Orchard Avenue 2 is also under our Haryana affordable housing policy. Here, government has fixed rate for 4,000 per square feet. So there is no discount as per the affordable policy. So in this we are having the draw system. So we can say कि this is हम लोग इस तरह से बनाया है उसको कि हर परिवार एक घर का मतलब ही यही हुआ कि इसको हर एक पर्सन के लिए हम लोग अफोर्डेबल बनाना चाह रहे हैं.
Thank you. Mr. Binod Dubey is asking us, what is the scope of capital appreciation in this project? Ideally, what is the time frame one should wait to get a sizable appreciation? Mr. Pradeep, would you like to answer that?
Dubey, again, needs whatever we invest, हमें उसका return क्या मिलने वाला है. So definitely expected for everybody. All our projects under affordable housing scheme, as Geeta earlier said, have a basic price fixed at the rate of rupees 4,000 rupees per square feet, and the located in prime location and across the cities. So, hello. Yeah, across the city, where the price is from starting from 6,000 to 7,000 rupees per square feet. As such as the prices that you pay and the tenure of delivering our project for 3 to 4 years. Now, this is a span of this time, customer is easily able to get an appreciation more than around 20 to 30% on their property. Also, rental point of view that one can expect is in the range of 12 to 15,000 rupees on this property. Also, all projects are pre-approved from the bank at the special interest rate, which is also a bonus to the customer. So, investing our projects is always a win-win deal for every client.
Thank you, Mr. Pradeep. Moving on to Vikas. Vikas, we've received a question. How can PropTiger help me with shortlisting, financing, and documentation? Are there any charges for these?
Thank you. So, PropTiger role is very eminent in all these facilities providing to the customer. Before going to answer this question, कुछ 2-3 बातें हैं जिनको कि मैं थोड़ा सा कहना चाहूँगा. I would like to mention on high points especially for Signature Global. So across all the projects which Signature Global has delivered till date, has seen an enormous amount of premium to the customers. And the most important thing, why PropTiger is now involved in dealing with Signature Global affordable segment. Right now we have seen all the properties जिसको Signature Global ने deliver किया है, customers has invested 22 to 23 lakh odd rupees, and they are eligible to get a loan of 80 to 85% also. तो पहला बेनिफिट उनको टैक्स का बेनिफिट मिलता है. दूसरा, प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना के अंदर क्रेडिट लिंक सब्सिडी स्कीम उनको मिलती है, वहां पे उनको फायदा मिलता है. और वंस द प्रॉपर्टी इज डिलीवर्ड, जब प्रॉपर्टी मिल जाती है तो अभी अक्रॉस पूरे गुड़गांव में किसी भी सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल का जो अफोर्डेबल घर डिलीवर्ड है, वहां पर बहुत आराम से 12 से 14 हजार रुपए का रेंटल कस्टमर को मिल रहा है जिन लोगों ने इन्वेस्ट किया था। तो जो आपका प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट था उस पर आपको रिटर्न आना शुरू हो गया, आपने सरकार से भी बेनिफिट ले लिया, और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात, आपके पास आपका एक अपना खुद का घर हो गया और एक अच्छे लोकेशन में। So why we have thought to give it a full go with this affordable segment right now, because current situation जो अभी चल रही है उसमें कोई भी कस्टमर बहुत ज्यादा पैसा आउटफ्लो करना चाहता नहीं है। वो चाहता है कि एक अच्छे लोकेशन पे घर भी हो जाए और बहुत ज्यादा पैसे मेरे जाए नहीं। तो दोनों लोगों के लिए बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी है, वन फॉर द इन्वेस्टर एंड सेकंड फॉर दोज पीपल हु आर लुकिंग फॉर होम्स। नाउ कमिंग टू बैक टू द क्वेश्चन, हाउ PropTiger will help? So PropTiger will give the complete solution starting from your filling of application form to the payment link, and then once signature will announce the draw date, जिस दिन ड्रॉ निकलेगी, अगर फॉर्चुनेटली आपका ड्रॉ में नाम आ जाता है, then all the process of documentation checks will be giving assistance by the PropTiger personalized RM. So that is how PropTiger works, and for all these things we don't charge anything to our customers.
Thank you. Ms. Geeta has another question for you coming in from Deshmukh. How is New Gurgaon compared to other micro markets in the NCR? Are the prospects better in New Gurgaon?
Yeah, sure, Mr. Deshmukh. This is very good question. Actually, Gurgaon is always in the limelight of its development. So the present day New Gurgaon is beaming with new project construction and lot more. The New Gurgaon is well connected with the 3 highways, NH8, Kundali Manesar Palwal Expressway, and Dwarka Gurgaon Expressway. The new city boasts of luxury apartments with top-notch facilities. The imaginary of high-rise building, workplace, homes, shopping, destination, aptly with New Gurgaon.
Thank you. Vishal, we've received a question. What is the per square feet price of property in this project and in other projects in Gurgaon 93 on an average?
Approximate our project rate is 4,000 rupees per square feet, and other projects under 5,000 to 6,000 and 6,000 so above.
We've received another question from Pawan Gupta, who's asking, what about provision of car parking? Team signature.
There is no reserved park for car parking because you can say this is affordable housing. So we are not taking any charge of any parking space, right? So we are giving two-wheeler parking, reserve parking, जिसमें कि हम लोग टू व्हीलर पार्किंग के लिए भी रिजर्व पार्किंग दे रहे हैं, जिसमें कोई भी चार्ज नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो देयर इज वहाँ पे इतना स्पेस है कि आप कहीं भी अपनी कार पार्क कर सकते हैं, जिसके लिए सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल या अफोर्डेबल हाउसिंग कोई भी उसके लिए चार्ज नहीं ले रहा.
Geeta, would you also help us understand when is the draw date tentatively? We've received a question. Please help me understand when is Signature Global draw date appearing? Is it anytime soon?
Yeah, sure. As of now, Signature Global delivered all projects before time. So this time also we will try to give possession on time. We are expecting possession date by June 2023 for Orchard Avenue 2.
Okay. Yes, Shiva Kumar N asking us, what is the monthly maintenance charges approximately?
Yeah, Mr. Shiva, there is very nominal charges we can say in affordable housing. So first 5 years, so we are not taking any charges on that, right? So जिसमें हम लोग 5 years अपना maintenance free रखते हैं, उसके बाद में एक nominal 2 to 3 rupees इसमें हम लोग मेंटेनेंस चार्जेस रखते हैं, जो कि आपकी RWA बन जाती है, वो वहाँ पे डिसाइड करती है कि कितना चार्जेस रखना है.
Here's another question coming in. Do you expect any delay in construction because of COVID-19? What is the tentative delivery date? Geeta?
इसमें हम लोग कोई भी डिले अपनी तरफ से नहीं चाह रहे हैं कि कोई भी यहाँ पे डिले करे, ठीक है, बिकॉज वी ऑलरेडी ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड, सिग्नेचर का ऑलवेज ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड रहा है कि हमने अपने सभी प्रोजेक्ट टाइमली क्या बिफोर टाइम ही दिए हैं, जिससे कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन भी सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल के लिए बहुत मेजर रोल रखता है। तो इसमें हम लोगों का यही कोशिश रहेगा कि हम लोग अपना टाइमली ही पोजीशन दें। बट अगर जो भी इसमें डिले होता है वो लाइक 2 और 3 मंथ्स हम लोग लेके कंसीडर करके चलेंगे ड्यू टू कोविड-19। बट हमारा कोशिश हमारी यही रहेगी एज अ सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल कि हम लोग टाइम से पहले ही अपना प्रोजेक्ट आपको डिलीवर कर सकें, आपका घर आपको टाइमली दे सकें।
Yes, Deepesh Gulati asking us, what is the benefit of buying through PropTiger? Mr. Vikas, I know you've already answered this, but if you could reiterate, it would be helpful for Deepesh.
Okay, thank you, Dipesh. Role of PropTiger, I would like to say, abhi jo situation hai, lots of people are avoiding to coming out of their homes. Like abhi, we are not getting that much of physical site visit these days because situation are getting worsening in Delhi and NCR day by day. We can see that. So keeping in mind, we have created some facilities for our customers. Like we have created a video calling through signature team. We can show the complete site. We can show the layout plans, the site plans. And secondly, we have the online link for the application form and the payment link also. And once your names come in the draw, PropTiger will be continuously in touch with you. And if your name comes, then all the formalities, documentation, loan, if it is required, will be supported by PropTiger team.
Thank you. Yes, Vipin Kumar Bindal asking us, is this project RERA compliant?
See, our all projects is in, our all projects is under RERA, without any guidelines, all kind of approval. First we, get it, only then we have, launched the project. So yes, our all project, बंद करके आप भरोसा कर सकते हैं, किसी भी स्टेज पे, किसी भी जगह, कोई भी ऐसा काम नहीं होगा जो कि गवर्नमेंट के गाइडलाइन में नहीं है. So yes, of course, we have.
Thank you. Well, we've come to the close of this webinar. We'll wind this up for lack of time. I think it was a very insightful discussion today, and a lot of queries are coming in. Unfortunately, we'll have to close it because of lack of time. So thank you, panelists. I'd like to wind it up with a closing remark from each one of you, starting with you, Mr. Gaur.
I would like to thanks to all the participants who took time out to join us, and PropTiger for inviting us for this webinar. It has been a great experience and to exchange our view and present our side to audience. Thank you, Sneha. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Geeta.
Yes, of course. हमें भी अच्छा लगा कि जो भी कस्टमर्स के लिए हम लोग बेस्ट टू बेस्ट प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं उनकी सेटिस्फेक्शन के लिए एज अ सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल हमारा ऑलवेज मिशन रहता है कि कस्टमर का सेटिस्फेक्शन हमारे लिए फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी रहता है. So thank you so much to conduct this webinar to connect with the customers.
Thank you. Mr. Vishal.
Yes. Thank you so much for PropTiger and audience.
Mr. Sinha.
So before giving a closing statement, कुछ दो बातें हैं what I would like to mention. Like general people have a mindset, जब वो affordable सुनते हैं, so they think that कि नहीं यार affordable है, अच्छा नहीं होगा. So I would like to tell them all, please come visit us, see all the properties of Signature which they have delivered, what type of quality they make, what is the construction quality, and customers who have bought in last 3-4 years are getting a good amount of rentals and premium also if you are interested in selling. So in this time of crisis, the most important thing which everybody is thinking right now to have a home. So this is the right time wherein you can invest your money also, and it will not hit your pocket because the cash flow is very limited. You can take the benefit for this year only of credit linked subsidy scheme because of COVID-19. It has been extended for 1 year. Next 2021, you will not get this scheme. You have all the amenities and facilities of a normal group housing, which you are getting in an affordable apartment, which is like staying in a good community with a holistic approach. So for this, I would like to give my closing statement that please don't miss this opportunity. I would like to thank all my panelists of Signature Global and all my viewers. Do give us a chance You can send your queries to our website, to our social media platform. Our RMs will get in touch with you and they will give you the entire process, how we can do this booking.
Thank you, panelists, for being with us today and answering the queries. Thank you, viewers, for joining us on Project Talk. You've heard the experts talk about Signature Global Orchard. We hope to have answered some of your queries, but a lot of queries remain. Should you have any more questions on the project, our representatives will get back to you. You could also use a social media handle to drop in these questions. If you happen to miss any bit of this webinar, you could go back to our Facebook page and access a recording of it. Till yet another episode of Project Talk, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye-bye.